Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to enable Instagram monetization tools if they're not showing. So if you want to get monetized and you want the tools so you can make some money out of it, or in general you want the monetization feature and tools on Instagram, then I'll show you how you can enable it. So the first thing you have to do is open your Instagram app, and once the app gets open, you will be onto its homepage. Now what you have to do here is that you have to click onto your profile icon from the right bottom corner. You can see your profile picture. Just simply click onto it and you will be into your profile. Once you get there, now there are some criteria to get monetized. Not everyone can get monetized. For that, you have to go to the settings, and then you have to scroll down a bit and click onto this option for creators, and then you have to go to this monetization status. If you see that it says you're eligible to monetize or you're able to get monetized, that means your account has completed the criteria and you're able to get monetized. If it says that you're not eligible, then you cannot get the tools. So first you have to make sure to it. But let's say you're eligible but you're still not getting the tools, then you have to go to the help, and after that you have to go to the support request, and then you have to go to monetization support. There could be any sort of violation or maybe ticket regarding this issue, so you can click onto it and then you can go for appeal or to the contact support. Otherwise, what you can do is you can just simply go to that back settings, and after that you have to go to creator tools and controls, and after that you have to again go to this switch account type option and make sure your account is set as a creator or as a business. If your account is set as a personal, then you will not be able to get monetized and get the tools, because this feature is only allowed to the people that have the account type as a business or as a creator. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, leave a comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching the video.